Hi friends, the next live session that we would conduct will be on the topic of encoder and decoder models, specifically using the transformer models, because transformers are the most advanced models as of now. So we will actually build an encoder decoder transformer model to translate text from one language. So this will be also like a sequence to sequence learning task where we'll take data from one language and translate it to another language. Again, this live session is or this set of live sessions that we would conduct this week would be code walkthrough sessions. And please remember that in these code walkthrough sessions, we will try to implement a transformer from scratch. We will not be using already constructed transformers. So we will try to implement transformers from scratch using basic constructs in Keras and TensorFlow 2. Right? So we'll implement a transformer from scratch. Again, this should help you understand the concept of transformers better and also learn how to program more complex architectures from scratch. Again, in the real world, you might end up using a pre-constructed transformer, but we hope that building a transformer from scratch using basic constructs in Keras and TensorFlow will make you a better programmer in Keras and TensorFlow. Also will help you build skills to implement any model from scratch, right? Because this is one of the most advanced models out there. And if we can understand the code and if we can build it from scratch, you'll have the skills to build even new models that come up in the future by yourself, right? Again, so this we cannot finish in a single live session. The live sessions that we conducted last week for BERT, instead of conducting one live session on Sunday, we conducted 2 live sessions. And that was a big hit because people preferred sitting for 2 90-minute sessions instead of 1 2.5 to 3 hour session. So just following on in the same footsteps, this week also we'll conduct 2 live sessions, one on Saturday, the other on Sunday, which is the 23rd and 24th of May. And these live sessions will be a 75 to 90-minute live sessions from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. And these live sessions are accessible to all of our course registered students via the desktop app. Again, for this live session, I request all the participants to please go through the course videos we have for transformers and BERT so that you understand these models much better. Again, I will avoid repeating anything that we've already covered, both from the mathematical perspective and the deeper conceptual understanding of transformers, which I've already covered. So here we'll focus more on implementing a transformer from scratch, and I'll do a detailed code walkthrough in these 3 hours of live sessions. Again, please remember that we will not be able to cover the theoretical and mathematical concepts from scratch in the interest of time. They've already been covered. They're part of course videos. Please watch them and come to this live session, right? So again, this will be one of the most complex models that we have built in Keras and TensorFlow from scratch. So there will be, again, we'll try to finish it in 2 sessions. If 2 sessions are not sufficient, we might have to conduct one more session for this.